So we'll start now. A dashboard, how much time taking. So whenever data, selecting the data, what will do? Go to pivot table, and here I can select existing one. I have already a place. Okay. What we'll do here? Sales by country here. One done. Second, what I can go, similarly go insert, existing, sales. I'll give a gap. I'll go by gender, by sales. Again, similarly go to insert, table, existing, selecting here. I'll go for the payment method, sales. Last one, similarly insert, existing. Okay, destination is not valid. Why? Okay, I'll put it here. Okay, now sales. What are the other thing you were telling?
Products, sales by
Product.
product.
Yeah,
Product.
product. Now done. So now we'll go to for the pivot table finish. Now pivot chart. We'll go here, insert, selecting a one pivot chart. Okay, we can select it here. I'll, even I'm changing the color, so we can do it here. Data in table, I can go to different color. Okay, I can give the name also. Country by sales. I'll go to second one, insert, table chart. I'll pie chart, I can go here. Data label. Gender by cells. Third one, insert. That I can go similarly. Designing. That is called product by sales. Last one,
It's payments,
sorry, yeah,
payments,
payment,
payment method.
payment. Insert. This is called product by sales. You can go for the change the color. Okay. Now pivot table finish, pivot chart finish. Then we'll go for the slicer. So if you want to add a slicer here, I need to select because I was outside. Here selecting the data, then slicer will be displayed. We'll go for gender, product, country, and one more is the payment method. Correct. Now for slicer is added. So what I'll do now quickly, taking the data. What is the time now? Can you check the time? Time in how much time already we are taking this? Anybody is there?
सर रिकॉर्डिंग जितना टाइम हुआ है उतना टाइम लगाना.
वो मैं नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ अभी मेरा I am concentrating here. Okay, now if you go here, inserts. Okay. Where will go? Inserts. Designer inserts. Hmm. Mom, where is that was?
सर कौन सा वाला?
Color change. अरे
सर उधर ही राइट क्लिक कीजिए ना उसके ऊपर.
नहीं no 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 no.
सब व्यू में होगा.
Okay, if you go here, yeah, we can go to choose the different color, different color, different color, different color. Okay, now what we'll do, we need to connect the reports. 1, 2, 3, 4 color report connection. Connection, report connection. This is done. Last one, no? Shubham.
That one was working.
Yeah. So finally, the dashboard is done. If you see, I'll make it full screen. If you want to change UPI, see, all are changing on filter. If you're telling desktop, all are changing. If you want to mail, all are changing. If you want to control by email with the desktop, that is also changing. See, with the card payment method, that is also country, that is also changing. Okay. How much time it is taking? I think hardly it will take less than 10 minutes. You can build your dashboard.